this is Finisterre. Here we are, Muxia. We meet again, Matteo. Guys, good morning. It's the 14th day. Today we go to Finisterre. That's my alarm. Great. Welcome to the new episode. So today I need to change my room. Let's clean this up. Let's go to another one. Okay, so I had to change my room because apparently it was taken yesterday and now I have the same room. I just moved my stuff for nothing. Great. Then we're gonna meet the guys at 8:45 at the reception. We go to the airport, rent a car, go to Finisterre and Muxia. Tauromaquia! Oh, my legs. Here we are, Muxia. We were driving and we were saying it's not the same as walking, so we're really missing walking. You see all the landscaping driving by, it's not the same thing. And also something you also miss is the smell of the poo of the cows as well. It's ridiculous, but yeah, nature, man. Ocean time! Muxia, guys, north of Spain. It's one of the last two destinations of the Santiago pilgrimage, and we have Muxia and Finisterre, which we're gonna visit a bit later. This is in the Costa de la Muerte, ¿verdad?
Costa la Morte.
Costa la Morte, which means the coast of death, because a lot of ships crashed against the rock and a lot of people died here, so that's where it takes the name from. Try to keep up with parkour, guys. 2 weeks without, lost it. The smell of the sea, guys, actually the ocean. Something I've been learning through this great experience is to enjoy things I never enjoyed before. I've seen the sea 1,000 times in my life. I never enjoyed it so much. There's really something after 2 weeks of walking in nature without, without the usual routine, without cars and stuff like that. It really makes you appreciate what we've been given as a gift. Look at the majesty of the ocean. Look at that. It's amazing. Muxia, Spain. So guys, this drone shot, like seriously, every drone shot I take is the best for me. It looks sick. Hola familita. volta! We visited this church. It's called la Basilica della Virgen della Barca. In English is the Basilica of the Virgin of the ship, basically. So the legend says that when St. James reached Muxia, the Virgin appeared on a boat on a ship to welcome and to cheer the pilgrim. Finisterre or Finisterre is from Latin Finisterre, the end of the land, the end of the world. So this is one of the most remote points in the north of Spain, in Galicia, and it represents the end of the pilgrimage for the pilgrims like us. End of pilgrimage, kilometer zero. There is a tradition, or there used to be a tradition, where you get to Finisterre and you burn your clothes, and that is a sign of leaving your past behind and starting a new life. So there's a lot of fireplaces like this. It's not forbidden, but people still do. It's nice here as well, but I think Muxia was more impressive. Yeah, definitely my favorite between the two, Muxia and Finisterre. Muxia wins. Looking for a place to have some comida, and we found a place with arroz con leche again, which is that dessert we were eating in Asturias, which is rice with milk and caramel on top. Yeah, so we haven't found it in Galicia yet, but we found it today, so we might go there. And yes, after 15 restaurants, we go to the first one we've seen, because they have the arroz con leche. Just for that reason.
Ragazzi,
Guys,
grazie di tutto.
Ole ahí.
Per una
Telia!
Telia!
Guys, after 9 months, beer.
Ta 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 ta.
Wow! Guys,
Ce ne aveva solo uno.
no!
Sì.
Zio Indy, this is for you. Arroz con leche. Ice cold. We meet again, Matteo. Like after a week. Guardatelo. Ma che ci frega. He's back. Bravo.
Ti saluta mia moglie.
Italiani. Non te la bombare. This is part of the pilgrimage too. You meet friends and you leave them behind. And we are back in Santiago. So after Muxia and Finisterre, we're back here going to the service, and then we eat some food and finish the day off, I guess. People, we have drunk, we've eaten, we're ready to go to bed. Tomorrow early start again, last day here in Santiago for me. It's been a good day, be positive, keep smiling. Whatever your problems are, that's just a test to grow you. So keep believing, keep doing your things, and God bless. See you tomorrow. Introduction. So during the Camino you learn a lot of things, also magic tricks like this. in the next episode. We walked 334 kilometers. We see you in the UK.
I'll see you in the UK at some point.
We see you around the world. Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and Mamo app. Subscribe now for the video notifications.